Hi, welcome to TCS Short Videos. Today's a quick video to remind you of our upcoming promotions for Lab Day West. Before getting into the promotions, I want to go over the differences between our complete injection unit and our basic injection units. Our complete injection units include everything you need to get started with the fabrication of TCS flexible partials, from injection unit and digital furnace to samples of waxes, processing, finishing, and polishing tools. This kit is recommended for labs and technicians looking to get started with their TCS flexible department or looking to upgrade their current unit. Purchase any complete injection kit and receive 3 extra packs of medium cartridges and 1 extra injection flask. The basic injection kits include the injection unit, digital furnace with accessories, an injection flask, 1 pack of unbreakable cartridges, and a mold release spray. This kit is recommended for labs and technicians who already have a flexible department and are upgrading or looking to add an injection unit to their lab. Purchase any basic injection kit and receive 2 extra packs of medium cartridges. If you are already a TCS user, this may be a great time to place an order for your regular TCS cartridges. If you place 20 packs of cartridges, then you will receive 1 extra pack, 1 rag buff, and 1 mold release spray. Our next promotion is for the JP90 handheld injector. If you purchase a JP90 starter kit, you receive an additional JP flask. The JP90 can be a great addition to your laboratory for all those small cases like unilaterals, clasps, and small repairs. Our last promotion is for our duplicating unit. If you purchase 1 duplicating unit, you receive 2 nightguard flasks. Remember that promotions end June 10th. And orders must be placed through an authorized distributor. Once you place your order, you can send your invoice to info@tcsdentalinc.com and we will send out your promotion. Please let us know if you have any questions on our products or the promotions mentioned. We look forward to seeing you at the show.